Hey guys, what's up? Mulu Bongie, Inan Dilubuino. If you're here for the first time, Tena Langatiti, Timankala Kuno Kuyase Koma, Dima Chogerako Batswana. Chogerako Batswana. How are you guys doing, man? Doing good, doing good. So we are in Teddy Makadi fever, okay? Teddy Makadi fever. Let's continue. Bongie, Melon, and Teddy Makadi. That's a beautiful house.
One for me. Mozi amandikwa nila inendina mugomera. Since the day unandianka phone, baby. Zonzo nandikutulira.
Just looking at his light in there, man. I like that. I should put those purple lights behind me. What do you guys think? Let me know.
Tell me all about your fears now. They won't be rolling, they told and timawako. They would toes and they will
Wait, they're saying something I can understand here.
They won't be rolling, they told and timawako.
Dream? Take my heart. Oh, wait, I'll take your heart. What? Okay, I'm confused. I'll take care of
I know you're hurting and never got a sword. So baby, sorry.
That's a beautiful. Hold on, what's going on here? Wait, okay. We'll understand going forward. I'm saying like that's a different woman, no? Like that's not the one. That's not. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's just like a song, you know.
Baby, sorry.
That must be his wife, right? Like I've seen this. I've seen him acting with this lady in almost every song that I have reacted to. No, not all the songs, but I think 3. This is the 4th song, that song that she's in there. Maybe they're married by now. I mean, all this love songs.
Sana onezonse si temo sasa ze revenge ndikufuna ndikola ndireko zonse si baby we cannot believe in love ndikuyiwala somalila on the daily just leave me lie.
Okay, everybody's telling their loved one about this stuff like, yo, give me your heart, you know what, I'll never break it, I'll take care of it, I will never hurt you, you know what I mean, I'm a good person. That's basically what we are hearing right now. Let me know in the comment section. Am I right or am I
I know you're hurting and never got a sword. So baby,
beautiful, man? Never tell you. Well done. What am I missing here? I don't hear that part clearly. This places are beautiful, man. Like, yeah. Yo, big up to Teddy Makadi, big up to Bongie, Melon, Teddy Makadi. Sorry, that's the name of the song. If you're here for the first time, I don't think I said this, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And if you have not seen other videos I've reacted to of Teddy Makadi, you should go check it out. You should go check them out, okay? Because yeah, this guy is onto something. Also go check out their YouTube page. I feel like I'm not doing this as much as I want subscribers myself. I feel like it will make me even more happier if they get more viewers. That makes sense. All right, thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye. Okay, hold on. Before I go, you guys from Malawi, now that I have your attention, I am on my other channel. You know the channel, right? That went political. Turns out, yeah, anyway, never mind. If you want to keep up with the World Cup, because I am in Philly, one of the cities that is going to be hosting one of the World Cup games or some of the World Cup games. Yeah, I'm doing something with the World Cup and all that. So you should check it out.